Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. My people, it's no news that the leader of IPOB, Mr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been arrested. As such, Nnamdi Kanu writes British Commission in Nigeria demands full protection, unconditional release as a British citizen. The leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has written to the British High Commission in Nigeria asking that the British authorities file a diplomatic note with Nigeria's Federal High Court indicating Britain's sovereign interest in his trial as a British citizen. Kanu, in the letter exclusively obtained Sahara reporters and written by his legal counsel, Aloy Ejimako, on Thursday said the British authorities must declare that he is not a criminal, but a person who possesses a political opinion which the Nigerian authorities are seeking to suppress using punishment of some sort. The IPOB leader was arrested and detained since Sunday with the Department of State Services in Abuja and had been taken to court in chains and handcuffs while his trial was adjourned to July 26th. In a copy of the letter to the UK High Commissioner made available to Sahara reporters on Thursday night, Ejimako reiterated that Kanu, being a British citizen, did not travel with a Nigerian passport to Kenya, where he was abducted. Ejimako, in the letter titled Urgent Request for Consular Assistance to Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, a British citizen, established legal, political and diplomatic reasons to defend the pro-Biafra secessionist leader. He also established that there was no extant order of extradition by any British court that was officially processed to deport Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria. He therefore asked the British government to demand the release of Kanu urgently. The letter reads, "We are solicitors to the above-named British citizen, on whose behalf and instructions we write this letter to request urgent consular assistance to him. Mr. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra and director of Radio Biafra, both of which are corporate citizens of the United Kingdom. Mr. Kanu resides in the United Kingdom, from which soil he departed to an overseas trip or about June 19, 2021 on a British passport number we won't call, my people. We are reliably informed that while he was on set overseas travel, he was intercepted in Kenya by Nigerian's foreign security agents and brought to Nigeria against his will on or about June 27, 2021, and arraigned before the Federal High Court in Abuja without the benefit of counsel on June 29, 2031. Currently, he is being detained in the Directorate of State Security Services, DSS, custody in Abuja. Your Excellency permits us to point a few legal, political, and diplomatic issues that have been implicated in this matter. They are: Mr. Kanu is a British citizen traveling on a valid British passport when he was seized in a third country and forcibly brought to Nigeria. Such an act constitutes an unlawful retention of a bona fide British citizen. He was not traveling on Nigerian passport or the passport of any other country, including that of Kenya. There is no extant order of extradition by the British court or any other foreign court, including Kenya, and we are informed that no pending extradition proceeding as standing against him in Britain or Kenya. There is no deportation order by any Kenyan court or other authority that made him subject to deportation, but if there was, the country of his deportation should have been Britain, on which passport he was traveling. Deporting him to Nigeria just because he was born in Nigeria but not traveling on her Nigerian passport is unlawfully under international law. The enterprise upon which Mr. Kanu is engaged, which is seeking the restoration of the defunct state of Biafra through a referendum, is a protected political opinion under British and Nigerian laws, where is enacted at Cap A9, Article 20, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 24. In our view, the manner of this interception and forcible deportation to Nigeria is extra-legal, does not comport with the pertinent international laws and treaties to which Nigeria is subjected. Ejimako also asked the British authorities to view Kanu as a political prisoner entitled to a set of political opinions and not a criminal. Based on the foregoing, we hereby make the following prayers: that Mr. Kanu be granted every possible consular assistance to which he is entitled as a British citizen; that Mr. Kanu be categorized as a high-profile political prisoner or a prisoner of conscience and be thus rendered the highest diplomatic protection under municipal and international laws; that the Nigerian authorities be prevailed upon to immediately allow access to Mr. Kanu by his lawyers, doctors, and family members; that the Nigerian authorities be prevailed upon to immediately avail Mr. Kanu the opportunity of being taken to any hospital of his choice for medical examination; that the British authorities filed a diplomatic note or other legal processes which Nigerian's Federal High Court and the Office of the Attorney General of Nigeria indicating her sovereign interest in Mr. Kanu's matter; that the British authorities declare that Mr. Kanu is not a criminal but a person who possesses a political opinion the Nigerian authorities seek to suppress under punishment of some sort; that the British authorities urgently demand the unconditional release of Mr. Kanu from detention while we await your urgent and most favorable consideration of our prayers. Please be assured of our highest esteem for your excellency, the High Commission and the British government, the letter added. So my beautiful people, you have listened to the letter. I don't know what you think about this, but yes, Mr. Kanu deserves medical attention, deserves to be released because he is a British citizen. I don't know what you think about it. Do write it on the comment section and I'll see you on my next video. But before that, please, if you like what you see or hear in this channel, do not forget to subscribe, to like, and of course turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Okay guys, thank you for your support. I'll see you next time, but meanwhile, stay blessed and be safe. Freedom.